If you want to do business in KZN, chances are you'll be visiting the offices of Trade and Investment KwaZulu-Natal. It's from here that Zamo Gwala pursues his passion for helping businesses and his province. And it's here that those interests often meet.
Trade and Investment KwaZulu-Natal is a government entity that was set up around 2000. Its main purpose really was to assist the provincial government to market the province of KwaZulu-Natal as an investment destination, and also to assist the companies that are operating in KwaZulu-Natal to start exporting and trade at an international level. So we are a public entity funded fully by the Department of Economic Development and Tourism, and we are based in Durban. We are part of the government.
If TIKZN had a product, what would you say that product is, and how do you sort of market it to the people that are relevant?
I will say that if one were to ask the product that we offer as an organization, generally I want to say it's an information. Information in the sense that we talk about the province. Some people will want to know just basic stuff about the province. When I'm sitting in Italy and I want to come into South Africa and there is this province of KwaZulu-Natal that is presented to me, I need to understand what's the size of population, what is the size of the GDP, how big is the economic active people, do they have universities, is the place that I can stay and live in. So we basically package the province in that manner that we are able to sell the province. That's one. Once we have sold the province, we then look at what is it that the province offers naturally. There you talk about the fact that we are closer to the sea. It makes it easier for us to have a harbor. We can't have a harbor if we are not into the sea. So that's natural. And you look at the kind of the soil type, if we are in agriculture, the rain seasons that we have, that's what allows us to sell this province in terms of the natural factors.
The vision and the mission of Trade and Investment KwaZulu-Natal.
The vision of the organization is to make and sell KwaZulu-Natal as an investment destination, and also to make the exporters from KwaZulu-Natal to be the people who are able to operate at an international level. By selling the province of KwaZulu-Natal as an investment destination, the purpose really is to increase the foreign direct investment and also to assist the companies that have already invested in the province of KwaZulu-Natal to deal with an environment, the investment climate. When they deal with the government, there will be issues that will confront them. We have to assist them, whether at a provincial level, local level, even at the national level, because there are a number of regulations and laws that we have in our country that when you interpret them in running a business can stand in your way as some sort of an obstacle. So our role is to assist the business to navigate around those. In terms of the trade, we have to assist the companies to build the capacity to be able to sell their products and services at an international level, and also to assist them to develop the businesses outside the country or outside South Africa.
In the 10 years that you're operating, I'm sure you've had some successes and achievements. What would you list as some of your most important?
You know, when I speak about the successes, we always focus more on the foreign direct investment. There you can count the companies like Tawian Textile in Moy River that invested 450 million and employed more than 1,000 people. You can count Tata Steel in Richards Bay that has invested so much. It's around 400 million as well. But there are other important achievements when one looks at the expansion that has taken place, which for me, I think is a critical one, because if a company invests for the first time and it decides to expand, it means that they are actually making money. And we have seen a lot of expansion taking place with the big businesses. I mean, Richards Bay Coal Terminal, we've seen Hulett Aluminium in Pietermaritzburg. We have seen the then ISCO, which is now ArcelorMittal in Newcastle. Between those three companies, we are talking about close to 5 billion kind of expansion that happened in the last 5 years.
Do the people that you are targeting, do they know about TIKZN?
What we try not to do, we don't want to oversell the organization and forget that the main objective is to sell the province of KwaZulu-Natal, but we must be able to balance the two. So I will say that at a national level, when we deal with people who are at home, they need to know the organization in and out. But at an international level, we want people to know the province more than they know the organization.
Right, looking forward for the next few years, how do you foresee your mandate expanding? Like, what are the areas that you feel that you would like to concentrate on as an organization?
I think the area that we still have to do, and maybe do well, as far as I'm concerned, is the issue of improving the investment climate. Investment climate is to say that people who are already here must be taken care of. Because I can tell you, to lose 1,000 jobs because a company has closed down, the pain that it causes is even more than not employing those people at all in the first place. So for me, I think as an organization, we need to play more in that space of working very close with the chambers of commerce as well as the local government to basically improve the climate of investment.